Unlocking the mystery of ballpark figure. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very common but often misunderstood phrase, ballpark figure. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or just someone curious about English idioms, understanding this phrase will certainly add value to your English communication skills. So, let's get started. A ballpark figure is an informal term used to describe a rough estimate or an approximate number. Imagine you're trying to guess the number of candies in a jar or the cost of a project, but you don't need an exact number. Just something close enough to give you a general idea. That's where a ballpark figure comes in handy. It's like saying, I don't need the exact count or cost. Just a rough idea. The term, ballpark figure, has its roots in baseball, one of America's favorite pastimes. The phrase suggests something within the ballpark, or stadium, implying that it's within a certain range or area. It's not about pinpoint accuracy but rather about being in the general vicinity of the correct answer. Over time, this sporting term made its way into everyday language, especially in business and casual conversations, to indicate an approximation. Using ballpark figure in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's commonly used in situations where someone is asking for or giving an estimate. For example, asking for an estimate, can you give me a ballpark figure for the cost of the renovation? Giving an estimate, the ballpark figure for our annual sales is around $100,000. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, from business dealings to everyday conversations about anything requiring a rough estimate. For English language learners, understanding idiomatic expressions like ballpark figure can be challenging but rewarding. Here are a few tips to master its usage. 1. Practice makes perfect. Try using the phrase in your own sentences or during conversations. 2. Context is key. Remember, it's used for approximations, so it's not suitable for situations requiring exact numbers. 3. Listen and learn. Pay attention to how native speakers use the phrase in movies, shows, or real-life conversations. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion around the phrase, ballpark figure, and adds a useful expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances that make it rich and expressive. Don't hesitate to use ballpark figure when you need to talk about estimates or approximations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!